make a chocolate meringue pie, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a bowl, add 2.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt.
Like a bird on a tree.
Rub 285 grams of butter into the mixture until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Add 6 tablespoons of cold water
We can sit
and mix until a dough forms.
together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for 2 hours. Roll dough out.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can
And press into a lightly greased pie pan.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And dock the dough.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
Blind bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. In a bowl, whisk together 3 egg yolks until thick and lemon colored. Set aside. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and a 1/3 cup cornstarch. Stir in about 1 cup of milk. Place saucepan over medium heat and with a large whisk, gradually add the remaining milk.
From up here, the world seems small.
Whisking constantly until well blended.
Together,
Bring to a low boil. Cook for about 1 minute, stirring constantly.
you and me.
Remove from the heat. Add a small amount of the hot mixture into the egg yolks to prevent the egg yolks from scrambling. Stir well, then add the egg mixture back into the cocoa mixture. Cook for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Remove from the heat and stir in the butter and vanilla.
Take a step back to see the truth around.
Pour into cooked, cooled pie shell.
Distance you can tell.
Add the egg whites to a large bowl.
You and me, meant to
Beat on medium speed until foamy. Gradually add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix until stiff peaks form.
forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Spread over hot tart and bake at 180 degrees Celsius. for 12 to 15 minutes or until the tops are golden brown.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be